Day 3 of the hike now. We're walking from Windemere Hut over to Pelion Hut. This is a long day. This is about 17 kilometres. It's going to take us about 5 to 7 hours, but we'll probably break a couple of times in there as well. It's mostly flat, a little bit of up and down, but mostly flat, I think. I was having a think last night. I think I've got a couple of options in regards to letting Case know that I'm okay and not dead somewhere on the trail on Wednesday. Option 1, ideal option, is that there's reception at Narcissus Hut. Option 2 is I try to catch a ferry across on Wednesday when we get there. And option 3 is continue to walk around the lake until I do have reception. When we woke up this morning, there was a bit of cloud cover around, a tiny bit of rain overnight. Possum trying to get into my tent, but didn't bite me on the toes. Yeah, I think there's still a bit of cloud around, but I don't think it's going to rain. It's a bit fresh now, but it should clear, I think. The sun's starting to come through behind us, so yeah, hopefully no rain. Lots of up and down over rocks between boulders. Tiniest little bit of concentration loss and you can fall and break something very easily, I think. This is the kind of area where you really need to be with other people. If you fell here, it could be a couple of hours before the next person comes along. Tough going, but it's mostly downhill from here today. It's beautiful in here though, look at this. So I've just come out from the rocky section and it's like nice big clearing and there's some big mountains off in the distance. All those clouds have cleared while we were in there and it's nice and sunny. So we've stopped, put a bit of sunscreen on and keep on going to the next spot. just set up camp at Pelion Hut. It was a very rough day today. We the first third of the day was pretty good. We made really good time. We probably smashed out a third of it in about an hour and a half. But then after we got down into the bottom of the gully, we hit this uphill bit and it just kept going and going and going. It really got heart pumping. So it was about 17 kilometres today. But yeah, legs feel pretty good. The shoulders are a bit sore though. There's a swimming hole about 15 minutes walk away that I'm just trying to get down to cool off and have a bit of a wash. It's still early, it's only about 3 o'clock, so I'll do that, cool off, rest those muscles and go back to camp and have something to eat later on. Catch you then.